Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can increase the text size at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. For that we will need the settings so just scroll down here below the battery symbol and then tap here on the symbol for the settings. Now you need to scroll down here on the left side to the point display. Scroll down on the right side to the point font size and style. And you can now increase the text size, so I've done it already that you can follow the video better and so on, but don't do it too much because it will affect also the notifications. So take at maximum this one here. Okay, let me show you something else. Let me go back first here, so to the general display settings again, and below font size and style you will see screen zoom. And you can increase the items as well. Pay attention what happens. If I enlarge it here, you see everything becomes a bit bigger and so on. So it's not too much with you, also for you, with the font size. Then you can increase here as well the screen zoom to have the best results to enlarge the text. Yeah, let me go back here. Now everything is a bit more enlarged. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for I created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.